Create and model corridor designs using BricsCAD Pro's alignment and corridor template tools for linear objects such as roads, cycle paths, and retaining walls. Users can create a corridor by applying a corridor template to a 3D alignment. Polylines are combined to create a template. Different templates can be applied to the alignment based on the project requirement. The 3D generated object can be edited in the parameters pane, and the original templates can be edited with the object being updated in real time.